Hello, welcome to Crow's Corner. I'm Jenny. Today I'm making some little decorative objects using shells and paper napkins. This is a craft that I've seen all over Instagram and YouTube, and I'm definitely not the first one to do it. But I thought it was fun. I just wanted to share it with all of you. You just basically take a paper napkin of your choice, any design you like. I really loved these sort of peach colored flowers. And you peel the back paper off of it, so you just have the top surface. And then you take your scissors and you cut out any kind of shape or design you want from the paper napkin. I'm going to include in my Amazon list all of the materials you'll need for this. You will need some kind of shell. You're going to need some Mod Podge and a gold marker, gold pen, maybe gold paint if you have it. I also use a spray, like shellac type thing at the end, but that's not necessary. After you cut out your design, use a little bit of Mod Podge and cover the inside of the shell thoroughly. I did actually wash these shells. They were pretty clean when I got them, but just because I wanted to make sure they were clean, I washed them with soap and water and then let them dry well before doing this. So totally coat the inside of the shell with your Mod Podge, and then take your motif, your little design that you cut out, and stick it in there, and then very, very gently from the center out to the edges, add some more of the Mod Podge glue on top. Make sure you give it a really good coat and you get all of the edges down nice and smooth. I really like doing all of the different flowers so that you have an assortment of designs, but you could do the same design in each one if you wanted. And it's the same for every shell. You put the Mod Podge down first, then you put down your paper cutout, and then you put a layer of Mod Podge on top. I made these last summer and gave some to friends and family. And then I also brought some to a tea party recently. So it's a nice little favor, like a party favor, or just a little gift, maybe a housewarming gift or something like that. Of course, you can use these however you like, but they make great jewelry holders or ring holders. You could just put them around your house as decorative objects. You could do these for different seasons, for Christmas, spring, maybe some Halloween ones. once your shells are finished with the Mod Podge part of it, find yourself either a gold marker or gold paint. I went around the top or front facing edge of the shell and then around the side of the edge as well. For the final part of this, I used a Mod Podge spray and covered everything really well, just to make sure nothing's going to scrape off later. I hope you enjoyed this really simple craft. If you could, please like and subscribe.